about my job is that I get to see patients from all walks of life, and I get to be with them throughout their lifespan. That means I get to be with them through their good times and their bad times, but my job is to help them to get right back to those good times. I'm a family practice nurse practitioner, which means I get to see babies, small children, and adults all the way through the whole lifespan, which is wonderful. I chose a career in medicine because I grew up in a family of nurses and teachers. I discovered that I enjoy science and helping people. And when I got to college, I became a nurse. I went to Winona State University for my undergraduate. Then for my master's in nursing, I went to Herzing University out of Madison. I came to Fort Healthcare because it's really family-oriented compared with the other types of places I've worked at. The nurses here are experts at what they do. Many of them have been at this clinic for quite some time. They know their patients well, and they'll always tell me if something additional needs to be addressed. In my medical practice, I like to make my patients feel as comfortable as possible. I like to be as approachable as possible so we can figure out what those real needs are, make some goals together, and then my job is to help you meet those goals.
When my husband and I were looking for a family practitioner, we decided to do some research, and we came across the Fort Atkinson's Facebook page, and Joellyn's name was on there. JoJo's a great individual to work with. If we come in here having questions, she's always willing to answer them. She gives us the feedback that we need. We feel secure as parents having 2 small children. She makes the experience fun, but also gives us that feeling of warmth and knowing that we're going home safe.
Being a primary care provider is so important because there are a lot of illnesses that can be debilitating and costly over time. My job is to prevent them from getting to that point, and I'm able to refer you out to specialty when needed. Fort Healthcare's goal is to be the healthiest community in Wisconsin. We have lots of resources within reach in our community that are able to help you meet your health goals. In my off time, I really enjoy winding down, doing some yoga, and then with my family, we love exploring new trails and finding new things to do together. When patients follow my advice, it makes me feel great. I get to take a look at them, see that new glow and energy in them a lot of times, and it just makes everything so worthwhile.
Fort Healthcare.
For health.